I'm in Shoreditch in East London to hook up with one of my old mates from the street food days. Big Dave is going to share with me how to create a street food business, turn it into a restaurant, and the secret behind his 8-hour beef ribs. You're a restaurateur, you've always been in restaurants. Why barbecue?
I think barbecue is, again, the term is very general. It's sort of Thai barbecue, Japanese barbecue,
yes.
American barbecue. For me, what I was always inspired by was charring things. Barbecue, I grew up with a grill barbecue. And it was very much about finishing meat on the grill, fat drips on the coals, the coals smoke, infuses the meat, and you get a little charring. So when we did ribs in the beginning, like we do now, we always finish on the grill.
Yeah.
It takes you a shot for that.
Yeah.
They're purists. It's kind of smoke goes straight to the table. And there's nothing wrong with that approach. I just find I prefer ribs that have been more
finished over coals.
Finished over coals, 100%.
Yeah. And that's a Barbados thing.
100%.
Would you say that smokestack is a fusion of those two styles?
Yeah, I'd say it's an evolution of what I grew up with. Forget what we're trying to do,
Yes.
Into what represents you.
Yeah.
It's in the restaurant, it's a reflection of the creativity behind the person behind it.
Cooking and working in restaurants is so emotional. It's hard work, isn't it? It's like real graft. And so there's got to be a strong emotional payoff to why do you do it.
Yeah, I love it. You know what I mean? There's some sickening reason, God knows why, but I love it.
Where did you get the beef from?
So we get the beef from Warren. These guys are based in Cornwall.
Hereford and Galloway.
Yeah.
Next up, he showed me how he prepares the beef ribs. Just simply with some oil and some salt and pepper, and there you go. Like, look at it already. It looks sensational. Next up, the beef goes into Dave's smoker. It's a 20,000-pound beast from Missouri, and the beef's in there for the next 7 hours. Oh my God. Oh my, mate, oh my, look at that. Just look at it. Oh, it's incredible. Beef heaven. It's going to cook for 6 to 7 hours at what temperature?
250.
Around 250. And then it's got another hour to go. You take it out until you get the bark, not the crust.
It penetrates the meat, so it takes that out. That's fine. It's pretty much cooked through, it's not softened. Any further more is going to get the bark, so they sort of become a crust.
To stop the bark turning into a crust, he wraps it in paper for the last hour. Look at it! It looks incredible! But we're not done yet. To finish it off, he brushes it with beef fat and puts it on the grill.
What we'll do, we always do it late on the fat side down. And we just cut it on. And you just want to leave that alone. Just let it do its thing. There's a lot of fat in the meat. When that hits a lot of charcoal, and then that fat rubs off it, and it caramelizes, the fat sugar caramelizes on the meat. See the fire is a little bit angry now. That's because the fat is dripping. Yes. That's coming out the ribs. We actually slice beef fat on the grill, caramelize and glaze 4 or 5 times.
Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, look at that! Yes! Pickled with some red chilies and garnished with a little bit of sea salt, and it's ready. It's a story as old as time. Man meets man. Men meet ribs. Men eat ribs. Men, well, they fall in love, and men live happily ever after. Yeah, I forgot to press record on the microphone. It's the beef's fault. The beef. Right, hands down, that beef rib, best in London, period. I think Dave's Barbadian, Texas mashup, incredible.